everybody, welcome to Binary Broom. Today we are going to take a look at vibe coding. Vibe coding is the way of coding that you don't actually code. That's a little bit complicated. You don't actually write a code and you just give AI what you want and it's gonna generate it for you. And you don't even look at its code and you just copy and paste it somewhere and you just run it. You look at the output. If it is as desired, well, that's done. If it is not, you just give some comments or even give the error or some uh, insights about the code to AI and help it regenerate the new code. And you're gonna copy that code again and paste it in your IDE or wherever you run your code. You run it again and you repeat this process until you reach the desired output. Well, that's pretty much it as long as I know about vibe coding, which is pretty new and it's trending at the time. But today we are going to actually do this vibe coding thing. I've created some kind of project here. We are going to create a timer, and we're going to do it using ChatGPT here, which I'm going to run it, and I've actually prepared a prompt here, which is simple. I didn't want it to be too long and too complicated. It just says that I need a timer to count time. It needs 3 buttons: pause, resume, and reset, using Tkinter in Python, and that's it. We are going to give ChatGPT this prompt and see what's gonna happen. And also I've brought a timer here just to let you all how long it's gonna take me to complete this timer and see what's going on. Well, I'm gonna start this timer and I'm gonna give ChatGPT my prompt, and we'll see how long does it take to for me to actually build this timer. Well, the timer just started. I'm gonna give this to ChatGPT. It is creating me the actual code. Is placing the buttons. We actually shouldn't look at the code. We will assume that we don't know anything about programming. Okay, here's the code. I just copy it and I'm gonna paste it here. We'll save and we're gonna run it. Okay, that's interesting. It is counting time. It has a pause button. We can resume. We can also reset and start again. Well, that's interesting. We almost have everything we need. I just want to add hour counter here as well, and also change some colors here just to make it more interesting. And that's it. Actually, it was below 1 minute, but let's give it some insights and see the changes. Well, I'm gonna say, I don't know, I want to count hours as well. Now let's see what is the output. So I copy this, I go here, I paste it here, and I run it. Well, as you can see, now it's gonna count hours. I don't know, I feel like milliseconds will be good as well, so I'm gonna add milliseconds as well here. Uh, I'm gonna ask it to round the buttons as well. Let's see what we get. Actually, vibe coding could be used for a lot more complicated projects. It was just a simple project for me just to see how fast I can develop things that it may take longer for me to actually do them myself. So as you can see, the whole code is written in a perfect way. So I'm just gonna paste it here. I'm gonna run it. It is nice. It is working. It does not have any problem. I don't see anything. Actually, the buttons are not rounded, so I'm gonna ask AI again about rounding these buttons. Well, after a long think, it tells me I need another package that I need to install, and it's gonna use that to round these buttons. I'm not gonna install a new package. It tells me that it cannot use Tkinter to do this. So that's our project. This is the ultimate thing, the final timer that we have, and it counts stuff easily. It has hour, it has milliseconds, it has pause button, resume button, and reset. So that's it. It took me about 5 minutes, but I talked in the middle of it, and it was quite completed in the first minute. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this project and vibe coding, you can subscribe, put a comment, like this video, and follow the future videos. Goodbye.